Hi everybody, good nice day. In this video, I will tell you how to make money, real money with AI agents. Yeah, you see that I think the lot of video that running through an AI agent and the people are teaching very well, teaching the features, the techniques for how to work with AI agents, but I very wonder about that. Do the features, learning features really make money? So I'm just seeing this different videos and I'm just having a void because I'm when I start to learning the agent, I see that lot of problems teaching them, but there are no sense of any that how to earn money through this system. They are building the system that no need to even exist in this world because the problem is not good big enough to pay enough. So I was wondering having a void on it. So I just make this series to fill that void to make that how to make real money to AI agent. Now going to my dashboard. See. So start this video simple is how to make money, real money with AI agent. So in this whole course of trade, I will tell you these four things that I mentioned. That everything you want to know with AI agents, what it is, how it work, and say. So and why we need AI agent. The that's very defined is I give some examples to you for your understanding that agents are not very different that it only are things that do specific tasks for a specific input. This means that I'm giving example. Let's say you're the life agent. What they do, life insurance agent. They sells a life insurance, meaning that an agent that do specific tasks, and that's so. And when we use the AI to do a specific task, we call the AI agents. And why we need it? Because it's the most faster, most effective. Because see, if the you can if you are using ChatGPT, you can see that if a one person sit to do the stuff that ChatGPT do for ourselves, it takes week to work for the out for a timing where I spend in ChatGPT for 2 hours. You can see the how much value we can get in a shorter time period and how much effective that's well. And the most probable thing that we not need to train. Yeah, it's so that if we just make a hire a person anything to that, if we're writing article, we have to train them for months, even years to write a perfect articles. But if I using AI agent, we can just make it in a month and 2 days with a simple prompts. That's a very then the best part is how to make money. So you only make money, just note it out in your copy, by solving real business problems, which solve which make the more money for them or which reduce the cost of them. If you're not doing, if your solution doesn't fit into these two buckets, then you are building the wrong thing, guys. You are a friend, you are building a wrong thing. If your system doesn't make money to other or doesn't reduce the cost to other, then your system doesn't make money to yourself. See, you have to understand how the money work. There is a simple philosophy. How much money is generated for your system, according to you have to pay. First example, like giving example of it. Like suppose you are a salesperson and in two different scenario. You are selling a cycle which costs let's mean $10,000 and you're getting 2% commission. How much you get? $200. How much is time spent? Let's mean you get 3 hours to just convert a client, even on one day to convert a client. Like a to the second scenario, when you a salesperson in a city and you sell you spend same 3 hours to do selling and you earn 2% on $1 million. See, this is the way you think the way. The bigger your problem you solve, the bigger the solution you build that make more money, the bigger the money you get. It's the sole purpose of you to building a system in your idea is that how can I make more money to these businesses by automating that. Okay, that's the thing of it. Or reducing cost, reducing their minor tasks. This is the whole purpose. And the most simple thing, how to think simple. I know that most of technical guy they just lost the sense that I was saying that because I'm going to design, I also studied design for a long term time, and I mean, and the various nuances of my life break the down when I study design. I see this is when what thing I do before are very natural to me become very unnatural to me after I study design. When I really understand how the human emotion works, because you are humans, we like simple things, and we're not made to do complex things. And after this I'm go to thoroughly understanding the design and understand and read the several books and understand that there are several advanced technology are made, but they failed in our world because they're so called advanced and complexity. They're very good products, but people can't adapt it because they are not simple to use and not simple to understand. And so I read a book called Everything in Design, and that tells me that you have not to build the most advanced system in your life. You have just build a system that most simple and most usable by user. Because at most, who the user of system? At, at last, the human beings who use the system. So make the system more simple. They can easily use that. And I quote it again. Simple system doesn't mean that it is easier simple. It is more often more difficult to make than a complex system because you have to remove all the complexity and make it simple. And I always say that simplicity always divides the advancedness. Last and the not the past. Why you should start right now? What is the whole reason to start right now? There are a lot of things you can do. You can watch Netflix, you can do anything digital marketing, you can do article writing, influencer marketing. Why you do this? Why you have to build the AI automation agency right now? Because when most of us understanding we are entering the new era. Means that when entering the era where AI do the lot of maintenance tasks that human beings are doing right now. It's lot. This is like a transition between the dot-com bubble in 2000 and industrial where when the machines comes, when the people stop writing the when for Xerox com for photocopy, there people are that before the people are writing every document in hand, and people just lost jobs because they are a printer machine who is print the later, so they have no jobs like that. Most of human beings after the sudden spread of 2 and 3 year time, then they are the people who are working like a simple data entering and just solving writing emails are vanish away because it's all taken by AI. If you're just aware of AI, you can see good it good it generate emails, how good it generate emails, videos. Even you can have a discussion with that very well. And if you if and I heard a quote about a great tech user that you are not replaced by AI, but you are replaced by the human being who use the AI. Yeah, that's the quote that I love. Now, and the one thing is that this is very new, and there is not enough supply. And my mentor told me that always enter a career where is the demand is so high and supply is very low. Just giving an example of you that how how the gold why the gold is precious and why the diamond is precious because they have very limited supplies and because but they have very high demands, so they are precious. So you want to be gold and diamonds in your career. If you enter the market where the thousands of people are ready to do, then your value is automatically reduced. So choose the career with a good enough demand and not really supply. So in this time period, for the time period of recording video, there are not very enough supplies of AI automation. If you want watching this video early in a video, and you can be the one, you can enter, you can change entire your life because it is a very things and it's real. You can see articles why how AI is just tackling different problems in the different business area, and people are very willing to pay you to do the stuff you wanted. And and if you want to make a real money actually, then you can work this way. Yeah. If you want to really make the money, then you can continue this. If you don't want to make money, you want to make happy, you can go anything you are, because it's not only way you have to do it. There are several way you can do it also. It's not, I not quote this is the only way you can win wealth. There's several different wealth. Every person have their different qualities and different traits. They have follow their traits. But if you have slightest interest in it, then you can do it for it. Now, after this video, the following videos comes with where I tell about where I just do the platform, Mind Studio, and I teach each and everything from even the sign off to how to use in the free. If are not people are not able to pay for beginning, we can tell you how to use free, even to each and every step how to use, and we experiment the 90% part that doesn't make money to us. We just eliminate everything. I will only focus the 10% parts that really make the money, because there is a parallel of, if not people are know that 80% of your life achievement is done is come by your 20% of effort. There is a 80-20 rule in always in a life. So we just learn the 20% things that really makes money and just grab the 80% part. But we focus the 100% our time in 20% things so we can exponentially grow. Now, in this current video, I just make a video how to generate LinkedIn posts, Instagram posts. We can also have generate billing system, mode of thing that we believe, and we solve the real business problem. If this is something you are looking for, follow me and sub. Okay, that's for nice for today. That's